right, you know your girl likes a good vending machine. We're in Vegas. Check this one out. Tryndi? Is that what it's called? Yeah. Look what you can get. Jewelry in the box. Hit the button, would you? Let's see how much stuff is. Oh, looks like $79, $80 for one, $100, $910 for another. Yeah, range. Mom, daughter, granddaughter, wife. Tryndi, you can get a gift from a vending machine right here. Would you do this? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear. Oh, want to know more? It's right there. See you in the next one.